Hey, I'm a set. A DNA test in my color. DNA test. Hey, my wallow. Justice for Nora. Justice for Nora DNA test. Justice for Nora. Justice for Nora. Justice for Nora. Top boy. Top boy. Also, don't go marry a gizzard. I know Okay, I have one. Your big
church, not the Bible is. If we are here, I'm also
yes, of you. My bestie, the bestie. My bestie, the bestie. The one of my trust. I have no idea in the room. Eat me up here. I know another idea in the room. You don't know. I don't know idea in the room. Eat me up here. No. I will not idea in the room. Open on my trust. I will not idea in the room. Oh. Open on the water. No, what the other one?
That bestie, he gets another bestie. That's so they go the bestie before you know everyone is done boss. And I know you're living. I know you're living. I know you're living.
I'm getting you. I do. You know, I know that we are no. We are do. You know, I'm not bad with you. I'm bad with you. Oh, no, you're poor. Oh, you walk on. Oh, you're not beer. Orúkọ àti ẹ̀wẹ̀. Where? Ó sá sẹ́wẹ̀. Não é estranho. Olha, dá o ziga. Ó sá sẹ́wẹ̀. Não é estranho. Olha, dá o ziga. Não é estranho. Olha, dá o ziga.
Hai presente quella sensazione quando vedi ancora polvere? Con Swiffer Duster non sarà più un problema. Solo per attivarlo e le migliaia di fibre di Swiffer Duster catturano e trattengono la polvere come magneti. È fantastico sia tra gli oggetti che sulle superfici difficili da raggiungere. Non posso più farne a meno. Swiffer, se lo provi ti cattura.
Justice for Nora. Justice for Nora. Justice for Nora. All is said. Justice for Nora. Justice for my apartment before you start talking to more. person. Yes, my lovely people, I greet you all with better start. Good morning, good afternoon, depends on wherever you're watching this video from. See, you all know this is from Vito. The social media king, the social media kubana, the social media otutunomono, the social media hiwa, social media obisi. Who the you know speak obisi? You by me by my baba with this morning. I just do my drink. I want young. Why you talk with better style? I greet you all with better style. Yes, my people. Now we'll see the topic there. Thank you very much, Ruth. Justice for Nora. Enogie supposed beautiful daughter. Enogie claims daughter. Right now, the situation right now, Nora is not Enogie daughter. As we speak right now, Nora is not Enogie daughter. I will talk some sense into some presenters' heads today. I'm going to freshen out some presenters, some low-life presenters, some Ashiwelewele presenters, Ashiwelewele. Igbeaga presenter who could not make it in abroad, who decided to become the single mothers. After trying to be with relevant men in the society, they end up with what? The single mothers. Now, guys, let me play some videos of you guys. With my thorough investigation about the DNA test that AWI provides on Benin cyberspace, the DNA test was not for Enogie's daughter. It was someone else. That DNA test was a manipulated DNA test which does not belong to Enogie. Richard Osajayi Ago. So guys, share this video. Before I go straight to unveil more and more about the DNA test. So, let me, okay.
Yes, so I'm here to talk about the DNA test about
Thank you very much, Osamedi Precious.
it's not fake, it's real. When I know say Enogie na banya.
Now this single mother, what they call Mommy Gigi, now we want to talk about right now before I go to another woman again. We say Enogie they share their video who are supporters of Enogie because me Enogie don't sagade. They can't tell Enogie the truth. Me Enogie don't go sagade. Monfili, I must greet you. Now let's listen to her. She have a very good point, very vital point on this our video. But the mistake she made, I will let her know. You understand? Because she feels that because she don't do Germany, you don't get passports. You understand? She feels that she know everything all. But little did she know that she doesn't know anything. If the DNA test I don't get posted, she not even read down, go read the ending. You understand? But can listen to her as she speak. You know, they always look for people when they talk about her, when you go to post, when you go to share. On the normal ground, these people will do video, they don't go to share them. When hand don't make Enogie, you go to find anybody with the support them, when you go to share. On the normal ground, he will never share this one video. You understand? He will never share this one video. The first time when this issue of her and her wife, when they have issue July 7, June 777, 2004. This one come and eat on Enogie. But what? Guess what? Enogie wanted to come after her. No, now listen, let's go there. Don't play. Share this video. Let's listen to this woman talk. She's afraid to tell Enogie the truth. She's afraid to tell Enogie the truth about this DNA test. We are here to say the way it is. Before we go to use hatred, take Saga Enogie, I'll first use truth. Take Saga first. If I don't use truth, Saga finish, I'll call you hatred. Take beat down with this DNA test. Yes. I'll first use truth. Take Sagana first, make the whole world knows. Yes, now the truth be this. But later, I'll call you hatred big time. Because if not him, he know they find truth. You can the difference between me and Enogie say, no matter what Enogie go do, where truth dey, I must tell Enogie. Before I call you hang down when you get the quarrel, the beef when you get, take big time the wife. You understand? That's too different. But in him, he can never use truth to saga me. It's always hatred, hatred, hatred. That's why God they bless me. They go down. Instead of that woman, slave on that woman. You marry for us. Me look around that apartment now. You dey feel on? A level now. Hey, are you boy? You want to go? Here we doggy. Here we young bonson. Here we gay. Here we go. Here we go, bro. Don't carry my apartment now. You understand? Yaka yamaka ya gueve ne. Kidu bua bewu. Where set ye sagawe ya cover sagawe na. The truth must prevail. You must come out with the truth. Give us the DNA test of Nora. Let's know if you are the biological father of Nora. As I speak, the man in question is still requesting for DNA test of his own daughter. Bobby, you tell me the DNA test again. No more again. Momo geno nyamo.
Na baya na for chop aduro we aduro there. And if you chop aduro for baya, before they can take your file from the city where you eat aduro for baya, go any other like rice like Westphalian, Berlin, and all that.
Ben, thank you very much for the stuff.
You see, this DNA test when Enogie post was requested from the government. Not be Enogie by himself go do it because he want to do it willingly. Because Enogie apply that he want to go and join his family. Now we can they tell us, okay, before you go, you have a child in this country there for Westphalian. Prove it and bring a DNA test. No, we show say that picking. Now you get it. And the DNA test also to follow up with his documents. Now so it be there's no two ways about it.
You see, my sister, mom, JJ, when I tag her here, make listen. Because you was I'll be making better shots. You understand? You just sit down for your house. Just memorize stories. Which is not even click with the whole major stories. Because if you listen to your story now, you go be like say, Enogie chop asylum for Bayan. Enogie now transfer herself to Westafero. From Nota Westafero, Nota Westafeli, I'm not Westafeli of the column. Enogie now can't have children. Enogie now want carry her asylum from Bayan to Westafero. That's what you are saying now. So they can say for you to for Bayan now can't request it for you to be sure. We come here and play a video for you. I will explain to you. I don't want to insult you. No, I don't want to insult you. I'll just give you a brief explanation.
You cannot live
what you are
without
saying.
giving them this DNA test. Before you can take your file from Bayan to Westphalian, you have to show them, so, okay, now you really born this pikin. Without it, they're not the green. When we don't pass through a process, you guys know what I'm talking about. If the people were there outside, they talk, they don't to pay me because they don't know the process, how things they work for Germany. So Enogie DNA test is legit, is not fake at all. He not do it because he get lack of trust for Mama Nora. That one has everything to do with about his child moving from Bayan to Westphalian. Now so it be the most ask you to make you bring paper, say okay, that picking, okay, I get picking for Westphalian, I won't go join my family. They'll say, okay, bring a DNA test paper, father shaft test. Make we see her. Say now you really born this picking. That is how it works. And when you are also applying, especially when we say now government now grants the family, you they apply for documents. Most time government will also tell you to go and bring a father shaft test for them to also show say now you get that picking because the two of them come in a different way. They not get fair day here before priceless come join. You understand? So they not come to the country as a family. So it wasn't because that he lacked trust for and I make her go run the DNA test. That is a lie. So I also see a lady was saying that one father shaft, not be DNA test. No. Father shaft test. Look at the top of the paper. It's written father shaft test. Look at the down of the paper. It's also written with English DNA test is there. Okay? And the 99% pum 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 is also written there. So it's a legit document.
Now, thank you very much, Madam Mommy Gigi. Sit down very carefully because I answered you very carefully. Out of ignorance, will they worry you? You understand? Sit down. When I tag on here, Mommy Gigi. Sit down, Mommy Gigi talk show. You don't quickly go share that. You don't quickly go share because you go to the rescue. You never see anything. If you know where I go, no yana wagbewa umayere wekare wa ene enogie goria wege evinu wega waru enogie no yana wagbewa we mayere wekare wa ene enogie goria wege evinu wega ge papi no yana wagbewa we mayere wekare monicane enogie goria wege Edoga orivia wao iwe nuwa muru menwa ya zemeka ko iwu menwa ya zemeka emeni ya zeka bi no kasa na ediene omo nu ma bie nu mu bie ogwoga gbe go mo bie re di omo onaga koko emi no risunu be do ni ma mi mede na igwo so ni ma ni yewa o bie na ma koko ewe bo wahala oya sit down. First of all, let's go to Mommy JJ. Mommy JJ, according to your analysis, it was a very clear one. If only some fools would believe your analysis. Your analysis was a very clear and legit one. If only a fool would believe your analysis. First, truly Enogie Pikin in Bayan, alongside with Destiny Osas with a play guitar. Sit down, make I bring your brain, me and refresh your brain, Mommy JJ, back to the history and story of Enogie. Enogie and Esther was living together in Bayan. They seek asylum as an asylum seekers in Bayan for humanitarian protection according to law in Dutchland. Hello? And these same people have already seek asylum in Italy, Montecatini, under Tuscana in Italy. Mommy JJ, sit down very careful. You understand? They can give you small points. Now, if Enogie decide to say, okay, Italy is not giving him the normal humanitarian protection that he requested according to the EU law, you have a right to go to other countries, other European countries, to seek for humanitarian protection, which a lot of us did. Then we are encountering Dublin case. According to Dublin law, if the country you seek humanitarian protection as an asylum for the first time did not reject you one or twice, and you decide to move to another country, other EU country, that country will also reject you and take you back to your former country. You feel me? So now these guys seek asylum in Bayan. They were living in Bayan peacefully, but they were considered nuisance, which you and I know for this social media. Then they fought a guy, their own guy, with battle house, Osas, Destiny, with the pledge to that fair guy. Mommy JJ, I believe you say you will know. You understand? Dorafe, I am not indirectly fighting for Monica. Word of correction. I am not fighting for Monica, okay? If you have any issue with Monica, go and solve it with Monica. I am fighting against evil that Enogie is doing right now. If you have any issue with Monica, go and buy yourself. You have your platform. Use your platform to fight Monica. This one is not Monica. This is Enogie. If you cannot stand to tell Enogie the truth, I will stand here to tell Enogie the truth. I will use Monica as an example. You understand? If I'm in for Monica, I am in for Monica. But right now, I am in for Enogie. And that's it. When I fight for Monica, DNA test, you are also a supporter. So, I'm not a changer. If you reach my turn, fight my own side. If you reach a little turn, fight your own turn. Be a transparent person. And that's who I am. I don't bias, I don't support some for any evil. You understand? What we're doing is what doing well. Now, as I was saying and coming talking, these guys fought with Osa's destiny and they were driven out of the camp. They ran because they wanted to deport them. You, Omijoji, so you don't hear the story. You heard the story. This guy ran to Eddie. You understand? Okay, real Sunday, I greet you. See, brother with the bone. I bet sister with the bone. Continue to the bond. The bond they go. This guy ran to Enogie Enogie. Eddie carry an house. DJ Wisdom man give him. DJ Wisdom and his friend rent apartment for this guy. That's in DJ Wisdom man friend house. Now Enogie. Then never see Ikpigo cowries for Enogie the month. When he rent one room before he brought priceless, which is Osa. The listing. This guy was running from deportation. Hello, madam, you dey hear? He was running from what? Deportation. He can't dey for North West Valley. He can't stay for North West Valley. Alongside with DJ Wisdom man in Aruba, where they will get issue last. The whole thing can cast. He can't beat DJ Wisdom man. Talk a lot of things alongside with DJ Wisdom man's wife. If you forget things, sit down, make it just listen. I want to give you a small story. Then, Osawe say come get belle. When Osawe say they come to see him for that one room we rent. For the Jerusalem friend house. So see they do road work. See they go to Czech Republic, Norway, Denmark, whatever. Thank God you heard it from our mouths. Enogie by herself. And when quarrel happened, Enogie requested by herself for DNA test of all her children. All his children. Madam, Mommy JJ, I believe you're not asleep. You watch the video. June 7, 2024. You watch that video. Where Enogie requested for DNA test for all her children, all his children. You're not asleep, oh. I believe so you hear her. Now, what's it could happen? Let me tell you what's happen. Since you say that DNA test technology now, I'll tell you something. It gave one point where we say you know go watch because if you listen, you read that point. You know for use your mouth talk say that DNA test na legit. Nah, not like DNA test the one. If to say you read that place, you go carry that picture, you go zoom man. Share not that you snap that place boldly. But the real paper, they my hand. I don't read down. Clear. That DNA test where don't get a claim say na in baby DNA test does not belong to a we. Another person DNA test. Now, first of all, Madam JJ, the analyzer, the truth teller, come sit down. Sit down. Sit down. This is the DNA test. I'm gonna share this video. But I did this is the DNA test. Please shift closer, I beg. Come closer. May you listen. This is not father chart. First of all, this is a DNA test. You understand? 1. A week left by arm. Where he's sick for asylum. Come to North West Valley. Madam JJ, sit down. Let me expose. Let me bring out your brain down. Where you not get some clear. We left Bayan went to North Westphalia. According to you, your story, my sister, you said a winner has a charge in North Westphalia. He wanted to transfer his asylum straight to North Westphalia because he don't get children for North Westphalia. North Westphalia now requested for a DNA test from him to really show that that charge really belongs to Enogie. Beautiful, my brother. Now, if Enogie did a DNA test in North Westphalia, it will be sent straight to Bayan. Either Enogie will have an address in Bayan or have an address in North Westphalia again. Right? Enogie address from Bayan will be on a DNA test straight to Bayan. Or, peradventure, if it does not have address in Bayan because he was already chased, he was on deportation. He address would not go straight to Agen, where the woman has given him Armageddon. Oga, if you not get Armageddon for Germany, you not get address now. You feel am? Madam, you hear me? You don't go figure address now. I'm in Germany, you get house now, you get address. Any message, any letter when they come, madam, which address did the right put? Mommy JJ. And they ask you, which address did the right come they put for your letter when they come your house? Snap your address, put them on social media. The letter when government sent for you, which address it pass come? Not be your address. Okay, you go then not West fellow, may your address go come out for Berlin, sister. Oh no, they use sense. When they fear to talk the truth on social media, that's why they useless. And nothing when they useless thing. Why they want to know why you're tired? You go to shake on the mats. Now do sagawa. Okay, now Bayan, not West fellow. This is the two region where you don't stay. Okay, if address they come now, madam, mama JJ, not be North West fellow they go, or it go Bayan. Why this your DNA test where you say na legit na original? Come go carry lifestyle. Why you go carry lifestyle? From North West fellow to lifestyle is 12 hours 36 minutes. 12 hours 36 minutes. When they change the apartment, the first apartment was in the stay under Hage, under North Westphalia. Now they still there. Why be the address of this DNA test? Go carry lifestyle. Go grab for your phone there. Type on from Hage to lifestyle. How many hours it be? If you don't ever visit lifestyle, all in days, in years for Deutschland. If you don't ever visit lifestyle, and they ask you, madam, mama JJ, we get German passports. We don't get sense. We don't know anything. We know how to lie. Who go out to Ori? Who go out to Ori? Who here pence they no give me that one gun. Why in America dress no hero on a North Westphalia, they don't get ye, I just remember. E Bayan, they don't get here. I just want to marry. I make a last tip. Address it, boy. Oh, yeah, my address. Over no nya. Over no nya this DNA test. Oh, you live video to tell yes. You nya DNA test now. Your post say Facebook. You don't get that view ever. Ya save. Ya put it like do a long on the ba o koto. Go na get printed DNA test now. You don't get your Facebook to print like that. Where am I now? Somebody must open mouth. Can't open a two like this. May you for the sea road. Every what they were why ya bene. Why not get me JJ? Let's go to another woman again.
Nothing fake.
That was not fake.
This message now to Enogie one of Deutschland, aka the matter one of the universe. I come to say thank you for job well done. And I want to use this opportunity to talk to people where they talk say paper where Papa Nora bring come must not be original. Brother, go bring your own. Sister, go bring your own. Una no dey shame. See go shame not dey una eye. When see Enogie Enogie, one of Deutschland, do so? Can you do it? Can you both go bring your own comments? Huh? Una go see truth. Una go use maths. Bena say Enogie not be Epa Nora. Now your papa bona be na your great grandfather na Epa Nora. I they ask you. Who see Nora see Enogie not know say na Enogie Pikin na Enogie carbon copy. I they ask you. Ah, amu no mere kiane. Eke karoti. Wanna see the shame.
Okay. You know why I want to talk to this woman? Now the papa and the mama matter we carry enter. When you say Enogie has done well, work well done, you go fit do one. Madam, what is your name? Lady JTV. Madam Lady JTV. I don't be Lady J. I call her. I'm gonna tag her for you. Lady JTV. Madam Lady J. Any reasonable wise man can never do what Enogie do. Now only fool go fit do what Enogie do so. Where you the support. Because you are Enogie and a wife, now they say category of foolishness. That's the reason why you go fit support foolishness. Oh yes. Ignorance is a disease. The same category where Enogie did. Now you still there. That is the reason why you can support stupidity. Hypocrisy. You understand? Also, when I make more body in Enogie, because where? I will show me your friend, I will tell you who you are. You guys cannot tell yourself the truth. I'm not here to saga you, but I'm just here to tell you the truth. Where you guys are missing it in life. You understand? You say, see, Enogie, see, Laura, they don't look carbon copy. A carbon copy, I don't know. You are so shameless. It be like you're getting away. Make way. I don't share. See this one where they talk now. See the one where they talk so. When I tell them, carry picky commands. But when I move yellow, don't even be here. We're going to move yellow. Don't go. Then what to tell you life you don't want to tell. Why cross-checking you? Why investigating you? Because okay, why going cannot get a share of a view. If you don't mind me, no case show a live video. And if you don't see her now for once, I said, don't share you. On the normal ground, I'm not going to share you. Hello.
I greet to social media king.
I must greet you.
I greet you. I saw your live video just now.
Yeah.
Bros, I want to talk to what's it that they call her? Mama B that Mama B. I don't know if
Mommy JJ.
Mama JJ. Mama JJ, may I tell you something? No say no get know your secrets. And I make you know the truth. Say where we all live in Deutschland. I'm now 9 years I don't date for Deutschland now. Nobody fit tell me law about Deutschland. According to Mommy JJ, you see the paper where they take transfer Enogie and Mama Laura together. Beg if you prove them, bring her come outside. Enogie run come off for camp. Enogie no get paper. Where Munich they transfer her from Munich to where Enogie have no husband. Enogie no get resident. Governments are still waiting for Enogie. Enogie they don't know where Enogie they live. Why they lie? Why they lie? Now so they put them together, now so blah blah blah. No, they blah blah because we all know where the matter is going. You they fear to talk the truth because they don't know your secrets. Which month here, which weeks here where you and they don't get quarrel? Where that one carry all the secrets where Monica beat you, he can't use and beat you for a platform. It make you see if you know say you get close to Enogie and you see what is going on and you know the truth, you don't want to talk. I bet shut up. Enter house. No need to parabolate on social media. Because I go bring una come out and go beat una. You know, I see what they not get they do. People where they talk truth, people where they comment for people where they talk truth, and not they go they pick them. You will be Mommy JJ. I go pick you come and see where necessarily. You better your shut up. Because your secret, you follow everywhere now. As mate, they knock you back and front. As you be, you don't know you the father of your children. The father of your children have. You never ever go to call her the DAA. You know go do one. You know, a sister DNA where the post come out, where they put the paper snapper, and no get the share. The address, no near no address. Now, so now move for the social media. And no have to prove it. We all know, say, we can carry the baby, go to do also. We carry the pregnancy, go road work, go to knock. We know that you no get that child. All those ones say the best. Russell, I hear we no get did one video. He say father shaft with them. He say now since the year 2021. But you remember the quarrel where they quarrel before their last quarrel. Where no get sit down say all the children where we are born, no alarm sign put.
Yes.
Which one come the father shaft where they do? And no get come outside to tell the old boss say the father shaft where you post. He say now year 2021. The quarrel won't quarrel early this year. Now 2 times the quarrel for this year.
Yes.
It's 2024. 2 times.
I don't get the question for
quarrel this year before the last one. And we talk him.
Yes.
He say no sign for the children. Even the one where they belle, he no let them sign put. Why they come they try to turn people brain? If a lot of us no go school, I beg, no see get sense.
Wow.
No get sense. You understand? I agree with you, bro. I just say me I tell that one that me I tell that waiting that they call her because me buyente personally. Me don't tell my law about Dutchland. Yes, now. Me don't do a duro for 9 good years now. You know if you tell me about Dutchland. I agree with you, bro. One love. Rigunao. If una don't see truth now, you dey bend now, you dey bend now. But if person bend una one back, una go say make ground open, una dey cry like dog na ya. Ekita na ya gbe logun. Ekita na ya sisa wa so many la wa gbe. Small pikin wey you dey come life, what he do now? Huh? Una don't do saga so make Papa Nora go bring Nora a paper. Papa Nora don't provide that now. Uso me na la wa gbe ba ya yo worry. Mona go see bring down now. Make we see am. If we know the talk, no me say we know the see wetin dey happen. We dey underground, we dey look. Wetin you wey dey come and talk now say paper when Papa Nora bring come out not be original. Sister, go bring your own. Brother, go bring your own. Go both bring your own. May we see her. Go both bring your own. You think say no be Enogie, one of Dutchland, not be Nora. You think say Enogie go close mouths. Enogie not be person wey go close that kind of mouth. If I don't use Mama Nora to sing music. You hear me? Based on Mama Nora, no say yes, Nora na Enogie and the
LadyJTV. Who are here? You dey sleep when Enogie requested for DNA test by himself for this social media. You don't put the video now. Who are here, LadyJ? Who are here? When Enogie requested a DNA test to boy by himself, requested for DNA test, we are you sleeping? Who will have here? Even to that device again. We can't deal with it. Who will mia? Listen. I want to know Latina when I'm moving in here. Then Enogie insist we on Yamo should go and do DNA test. Why don't we Enogie? It be a baby. If been on a show work during the fight, after fight, about why exists. Oh God. You understand? Why don't senior say Enogie? Ume mwa odaki na mwena bi. Unu yes nwe gbe obona. Go no go come no come. Ume mwa odai. Why don't senior say Enogie? Enogie matan here. Enogie kakawanga. Enogie ona. No make it share video. You're talking out of your own greediness. You are talking out of your own selfish interests. For your mind, now you talk truth. When anything we investigate. When I will like video here. Tell them to sit down, come pack picture of body, sit down, they talk, post them. Now hook up you do. You do hook up how many years? You when you do hook up, you single. You never hook yourself up. You can't be 5 person when you hook up. You do hook up for many. Now hook up you take come on for social media. When you go and hook up, you say, where mighty who can go up? Who mighty who can go up? Mama not talking about where. Mama not talking about lagwa. You just go and take care of yourself. Go and treat the disease that is with you before coming out to be supporting scratch. Okay, I like to do a rubbish. Who can take care of a bonnet? Who can bow a bonnet? Who can bring me a woman in a when all your atrocities deal with me. Your atrocities deal with those never carry your matter from me before. A matter what can't wait many. To do in here. That's a right. Not bunny. Okay, be one of that page you will not share video with making a blow. No case of Agmo. Here you will car. Ye no case with me. Book back go no go conocon. A hook up in that go wrong. Akbo web miadi. Go no go conocon. Still on still. And what I do there, you might it. Corner, young corner. I'll call you back. Let me write. This is wrong. Begin International Council. Please, sir. Hello? Hello? No, you're not the speaker. Okay. 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 All right. Okay, no one. No one. Okay. All right. You send it for me. You send it for me for WhatsApp. All right, I'll greet you. Nice one. Yeah. You know, if I allow it, we're not if I get matter. We're not if I get matter. Oh, what are we going on? No, what done with her? When I share this video, make I talk small thing. Now I want to talk about Lady J. This Lady J, no, what tell now? Now small thing I want to talk about her. This Lady J, where they talk so now Napoli, yeah, they still Napoli, or Napoli burger, Napolitano. Now she be for Napoli. That's small, yeah, call with Napoli. Na Ghana man. Hold on. Why you pick Ghana man. Kokobiri vandalization. Oh, bien. Now she marry. Now what does that? Enogie maton. Enogie kuta. Kokobiri vandalization. Oh, bien. Kokobiri no kokonisa. No what salon now. Ye marié DNA test ogin la dian na rede e mono bien de kokobiri ogere nya de kokobiri ogere nya votono ve Napoli ostei Castel votono e Napoli ostei ya agbo social media wa agbo be come back if I come back to My saga again. Oh God, I want to repent. I want to repent. Leave all these women. All these women, they don't want to repent. Una don't want change. Why you go to baby, abi? Why you go to baby? Una high service worker. Why you go to baby? When you back, relax. The piece making out of that one. Why am I going to piece? What going to pieces? I go pieces now. See what I'm looking at. Why they give no man back because we're going to view. What do I told you? I don't have to turn over the social media. Don't use lie. Then you do saga again. Talk anyway it be. And not get we bring your real original DNA test come out. A DNA test now. How it take come out? Now somebody asked Enogie for DNA test last 3 years. Just the way they see ask Enogie for HIV test. Where Enogie the next morning, the next day, Enogie don't post out. The next day, Enogie don't post out. DNA test will take you to 2 to 3 weeks before it come out. Enogie your go today. The next day you post DNA test. If you post DNA test, now I get now. 3 years ago, 2041. In another high service, I will be one of Shaganation. I will be one of Napoli. Yeah, we have service. Elia Bonia well. Yeah, my dear, my guy. Yeah, we have service. Epa.
In a bone and I go like a knock, Mama Nora, a knock, Nora come out for his side. Now, una say no be get the picking. Say another person. Ah? Show where they talk now. If they say you go to bring you, maybe your own mama now wait bonjour. Wait, tell you say this one are your papa. Maybe if we go check on not be your papa. Maybe your mama go to Duvaga, your papa friends. Carry you go give your papa. Your papa no, because that kind of civilization never reach like this. Many of us, if they say we go call our papa come, may they come test all of us. Maybe 99% not be our papa go bonus. But no, come math, or come they use math, till they discover another person. Nora too fine, another one they Jesus, Nora you too fine. Nora you too sweet. Mama Nora, you take care of that girl. If I didn't see her, my man go to drink me ring that. Now that one bad day because if what they no go fit do, if they see what they do, if they like be, so when la wa gbe wa, so when I get way, and when you see a Joshua, now be like goat, whether they below the goat Joshua, near I am the Joshua dashi. Wanna leave Nora alone? She's too beautiful. She's too pretty. Yeah, mama can share. Una use two of una hand take cover una mouth because una mouth they worse. If I dey see some kind matter, the thing go they pay me for mind.
Let me say when I did apply for my kids to join me, I was asked to do DNA. I got the result delivered to my address around 7 days. That's 1 week. Enogie go do you today. The next day post DNA test. As Enogie matter one of those land. Yes, it's all. This was 3 years ago. Now this particular one when we talk so this Lady TV. Now view they find view, they find follower go view on. You know, so now only no give go fit follow on because everybody use brain they target who they reign right now, who they go fit support, go fit help they share their video. Then the followers of that person go will like the person, say they beat this person, go follow that person, say, oh, they join us, they beat person. Just like the way Monica they do one. You see some women and they go say Monica, they say Monica, they go join Monica. So there's young Monica. Some of Monica fan go support. For real. Like Monica is one of the worstest presenters who you can ever think of. Say you can't share your video, say because you support her. That lie, she not go do one. So if they come Monica man, come on that. He 1 billion. Monica has never shared their videos. Monica so much love them as they fight. Monica gets sense past all of them, but they be food. Monica knows they be food. They fight for their own food. Those two mumu couple. Others are kicking with the Germany. Monica knows the idiots. That's why Monica can never share their video. Upon a saga for Monica Yaki Rabilia. Congratulations to Yaki, my lady. Your lady can never share your video. He can never order his fans. Go and follow so person who is fighting for me. Because she already knew that people are hungry fools. And they might grow. Because they have just dealt with Monica before. You see Monica forget. Monica knows that he can't be any. Near do support him now. Even here, Gualo. And don't get do one to them. So Monica don't wise. And no, you can't let you when you have me now, you take over the water. When Monica, you can't wear any. I will get one of them boy. You can't wear any. Last, is wrong with Monica. Monica drag out the body. As the dog goes, they found Monica hand. It beat Monica. Bim. All these warriors they shot like what will sink now. Wow, all those chihuahua with their face roll like horror film. I'm gonna beauty camera in your face. I will live video. Or walking men with beauty camera in your face. Or walking men with makeup. Walking out live video. Or you so go yoke me out your who. Eh, then marry all yoke me all your who. Why not take one young girl? I'm gonna make up paint face. I will live video. If we get a face like the will live video. Here will live video. I make up in it. I can live video. You're over. When okay, man, you're over. All you get carry school. All will live video. When you're always start will live video without no makeup. Nageli an ko no keke bi ageli you wa. O ko na don't dey presentable. Eji we kiri uhebe uheji ala. Eji we kiri face ye nyama. How can you marry your own junior brother? Put for house. Your pikin and your husband, they don't know who's senior each other. You go to bed like this. You go say you see now your husband you use hand and press up pikin prick beside bed. Why you pick your way bed you are there at the for no? Why my just okay? What you mean now? Daddy, where you dey? Honey, where you dey? Oh baby, go to the other side. Daddy was shifting it down. No. Wala on social media. We can't do good men with one. The man there's one with Vienna. The man's one going with Vienna. Then I lock up in my lucky. You have to go on with fucking this one. I will fuck this one, almost this one. Yeah, one I was working. About the time I have to go again, is water. You get why? He may get where my soaking, I have soaking it. Exactly. Why are you guy? I love my God, oh God. If you don't move on, if I hear one on one, why am I one? Mokak be you agree. You understand? Man, fluoric acid, yagwalomo. Fluoric acid. I say fluoric acid. And I go make Facebook. Fluoric acid. Fluoric acid not a please leave me alone. Your womb is condemned already. Please leave me alone. Your womb is condemned already. The baby you are looking for is your teeth. The baby you are looking for is your teeth. The baby you are looking for. Where are kiss? Where can kiss? Hi, Baba. I can't know where kiss, brother. Where can kiss? How you take a kiss that man? How you go? Your pikin your mouth the kiss. Oh God, oh God, I'm suffering. I'm dying. Let me drink water. Hey God. Yo. Brother, we are kissing on. I can't even register. I registered. It's a double decker. I can't wear any. It's a double decker. Brother, what can we here? We are here. We are saying, man, do we live? Do we work with on it? Open your mouth. No. I want to go you will go for a see away. Eat away. We are going here on Facebook. Well, why are you having you are the dog? Why are you sit take why you can I act man can I 1 million all the name of say I want born. At the end of the day, Omon one here be welcome. Nonsense cabo. I like him going. DNA test. Justice for Nora. Justice for Nora. Justice for Nora. Sister Lady JTV Total. Uwe bene no giri legit one, according to you. Lady JTV, can you please tell us the address of Enogie house? Like one comment I saw here, it said when I wanted to bring my daughter, they requested for a DNA test, and I did the DNA test. They sent the DNA test to my address under 7 days. Underline that address. They sent the DNA test to our address under 7 days. Now, Enogie, the baby boy, the 419, the request for Nora DNA test, they send to lifestyle. They send it to lifestyle. If to say the right answer, Bokon, we go okay, Bokon, maybe na Eddie Murphy address for Bokon, then they send a go. If to say na Bokon or na which other place, what's the wisdom address? Don't forget our address. We go say na the wisdom he help and give an address. Then they send it to. How come they not send it to your address? They not send it to Hagen. They call it down to lifestyle. Do you know how many minutes? That goes one. And everything now go the show now. Now I'm supposed to use break calculator say lifestyle to Hagen is 12 hours 36 minutes. Lifestyle hot burn off to Hagen hot burn off is 12 hours 36 minutes. Sister, why can't I tell you in the video? Why can't I verify it? You go and verify. Don't say because I like Umemwa. Umemwa is doing what is not good. You will be praising Umemwa. You are not helping me. You are killing me. You are worse than my enemy. For Umemwa do what is wrong, tell Umemwa say do it wrong. Don't play. I'm really talking about that video. I should be a very good example to my followers. I'm not going to deceive you now. I'm going to support me if I'm going to deceive you now. I'm going to clap for me and say, oh, I see. I'm not born, so I go born. I may get this Pikin. Love not going to tell me, say, thank you, congratulations. People call it tell me the truth, and I'm going to beat them, say they tell me the truth. And I'm going to clap for me for the rubbish where they do, and I was pass. Yes, and I was pass. You see, saying you know what I do, so you know good. You tell me, say, right down, brother, God bless you, but you are killing me. You are not helping me. You see that one when they tell me, say, bro, what did you do so you're not good? Almost walking. I will go look and say, hey, what the man I get later? I will pick sense from inside. Yes, not truth. It may not say matter. When on the hand where I say, hey, you are a bad person. How can you imagine? Or when you fake DNA test today, somebody they tell her the truth, say that this thing will not. The thing they open. Oh, I knew her. They open ballot. They read down for them to see. When I see they make math. You wanna assume. What see bonnet man? No, not my. What see bonnet? What I won't want boy. Oh, I support it. I tell you. I just imagine the kind of human being gonna be sometimes. But when they calm person, what can't be? You are very calm human being. I swear to God. Very calm human being. Such a human being. You want to arrive? What time no ye? You understand? I will is the title. So, generic goats meant technology identity just in Strasse Onyx Strasse plus number 5 oh, the address of number 5 Onyx Strasse plus number 5 04503 Leipzig. Name the address of this DNA test. Leipzig. The person will get it. They are in your address now. So telephone number they here. First number they here. www. See, now still Leipzig. Where for do the test na Leipzig. The address na Leipzig. So then the doctor, Dr. George Gottery. I mean the doctor will do the address. Will do the DNA test. You understand? You see their life? Address a DNA test nowhere. A DNA test nowhere. No more like that. Still like that. But some people get mad. Don't be joking. We get mad. We not mad debate. Dr. Katarina Hangni, Protect Manager, DNA Forensics. Yeah. Anna Swazler, Protect Manager, DNA Forensics. To Dr. Anna. Ewina kalo we be. It didn't test near the way. It didn't test near the we don't want to forge jail at them. Huh? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? All these women, they clap for them. I was what by court. We are not cutting why I cancel this person name with the yes. Why I stroke this person name with poster. What am I knowing? Why I stroke that place? What am I knowing? What's the last stroke you are? Huh? Anyway, what's the problem? Enogie, what is your problem? Why you live fake life? You're going to write your name first. That can only fearful not be doing now. Now, no, you have a. You ain't got to watch it. It's a useless boy. Guys, let me leave you guys now, and I will see you guys later. Let me do one or two things in my territory. You understand what I'm saying? Let me do one or two things because I'm not dig with Keno. I'm not dig with Keno. Mother, mommy, JJ, sister, la way you are telling now, we must say. Yeah, I'm here. Sister, la who? Hey, you are telling now, we must say. You can't go on the right side now. I'm not agree with my go. So you don't talk to me anyhow for Facebook. I just look you. I don't want to, because if I can't beat you, I go to finish you. Doesn't mean I can't judge you for this live video. I go to judge you. What you are saying, I no Moses say. We no Moses, we no soft say boy, poko. We no soft say, but too useless. I too know you are useless boy. So you be there. I too know. Oh, you worry when now. Alone.
Show me that king.
I must greet you.
I greet you, bros. You don't call the life.
No, the life. Just speak up.
Bro, that girl where you get that document, you go call that girl, tell her me go report to police. That girl need to go report to police. If you need the no get we address, let me know. I know him. You need to report. If now Juju you want carry, can't give a no gear. For that documents where go post. They need to sue him. Because this one na criminal case. Criminal don't too much for no get. This is no good.
Good.
I greet you, brother. I need your help later. I'll call you.
My help, not more there also.
Yeah, I need your help. I want to knock you.
Sure.
And they call knock you. We'll go do a soapy later.
You just
I need your help.
Shit, not there, yeah, sure.
No, she's not there, my clear. I want the quality of my brother. I greet you, bros. But when they get here, police, I'm with no clue. Yes, sir.
What happened?
Say that document now, yo. One love, bro.
All right, no problem. I did get me well, really. All right, my people, I greet you with better style. You understand? Oh, in Abolofa. Okay, Lady J, no, Abolofa. Lady J TV. Okay, Lady J TV. Why are JJJ? Owo ke kokobiri koyo. O mari egbele. Owo me mo pa ya boss yon ade ogba wi sene bo riti ne. Owo ke kokobiri ye egbele for national peace to reign. Because what you hear the boy na of venya we. One so or raga ti gbe no be joke. So why ko wari egbele for national peace to reign? You understand? But tomorrow I'm going to where I'm going to let them do other because the story where is too rugged, it's too yeah. I'm no man home where all we want. If I knew we know that you are useless woman very soon. Hello?
Hello, how is this man?
I must go to you. Just speak out.
Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
No problem. I greet you, sir.
What up?
One grace. I want just throw a small words give JJ Pokopoko where come out the praise Enogie. You know, say one thing where those women, those useless bontrowe, what be their problem? Be say if they don't fuck up, and not say Enogie, not say don't come out for a week before. So and a win now, bless say we don't get out for red flag. So now every way now to please say we now they do now so that one go for people for waiting the fair to one. But he can't to pay me say in a mumu because I see the video when he do against you and Mommy K when this whole issue there on ground. He can't forget say oh my dad of for that when he did the open yash for one musician for one we say record this boy with the way be musician say we say make Epa advertise
yes,
make Epa do advert. He don't forget say he don't open yash for camera. He don't to camera down with that one. And I can't still useless. They come and say in the advice they will camera down with a young boy. Because Germany favor you now give you Bali now you think say you don't do on top to talk. Now not go school. One are Nigeria. On a still show you pull away be say school now free.
Don't smart.
I don't see you that say go one I go say no. One I go say no we on our one pull leg. The illiteracy we carry on come up for her still remain with una for abroad. So I just did pity for that useless woman. I did very, very pity for her. You still get right to come out and say, hey, the DNA is correct. If you look at us, they straff you for back. That way, do me you can't talk. We'll go see you very soon. Because all of them now, whether they clap and they follow very soon, it will carry all of them for trade. They will go for this social media. We know. If they carry all of them down, all of them go take your depression when time come. If I want to just make, I just give that lady small.
Thank you.
You, sir.
Thank you. Don't smart I for what? Why I don't yak you? I don't know some. I don't know any muscle. I don't know by you. I do not pick on you. I don't know some. I don't know you. I do not by you. I do. I don't yak you. Don't smart I for what? Mommy JJ. Where do I go? When you are in a remain on where you are, at where I la one. When I hustle him, a genosagi Yahweh, Barcelona, but tell your head to genosagi. Uma bien, I think the Sagi be a mona. While you be lay, where I be with tattoo father. Walla, social media, not two person go see. Why I love I'll get where I'm going. I shall not be working on management you. It's always near here with a binary Gemina to tire or salon. Near Yag. Hello, can somebody shut fire? Oh God. Why I go? Even I do want repentance is there. Anyway, I'm married. I come with repent. You know, repent, not repent. La wa. You get married. You know, the baby can now your but unguama hini. Ungu down. Oh boy, you do what? Oh, you get it, mommy JJ. No be out of wedlock. I want you want. We have a picture of marriage. A marriage you marry your what will happen to the husband? Not to marry, leave the man.